Oh. Ah, the music. Why does the music not stop? Ah! Hey, welcome everyone. Welcome. Oh no, and Dace is getting petted. Oh.
Good morning.
I mean, why am I not getting pets? Yay, pets for everyone. Oh, on my shaved head. Oh no, Liam. But let's change to a little bit more chill music. Apparently the Spotify didn't work. There we go. That's more chill. But yeah, welcome in everyone, welcome in. Sorry for the little bit of chaotic start. I changed a few things in the background of the stream. I can now easily give shout outs, for example, just with a button press. So for example, for the lovely days, I just click here and if it works, there we go. Shout out to the lovely fluffy days. And I have, for most cuties here, I have now a button to shout out. So if I see any of you, you know what you can expect now. But yeah, how are you all doing? How are you doing, Dace and Bryza?
I'm good. I just woke up.
Oh.
I'm good. I returned from work and eat very good dinner.
Yay! Oh, all the lovely noms and CPs. By the way, I changed the Discord name of our food channel quite a bit. First it was the food channel, then it became the cursed food and sometimes good food. Then it became the cursed cookie channel because you cuties posted the same cursed cookie 3 times. And
Cursed cookie? What the heck?
Yeah, it was a mac and cheese cookie.
That sounds not good.
No.
Like
Except, who was that who said like, oh, it doesn't actually sound too bad? Yes, but we are now back to the Nonsense CP channel, so yes. And yeah, let's see who is all here today. I see Loki, Rio, Tracking, MDL. Lovely to see you, cuties. And I see even more. So many of you. Oh my. Ow! I see Bryza, Fallon, Liam, Onyx. Yo, welcome in, cutie. Slendy, Dozing, the little EPBP.
Oh. That cookie looks disgusting. Oh my god.
I think you found it. Yes. Mm-hmm.
You see, is that who posted it?
Yeah, but before that, Liam too, and I think the Naughty as well. Oh, it's terrible. But yeah, also welcome in Pebbles, Yip, and Days, of course. Who else do we have? I see Rio, of course, as well. Yo, the lovely Blue Dirk, and I will also turn up Days. I will turn you on.
Turn me up?
Yeah, I'll turn the cuteness up. There we go.
Sorry.
No need to be sorry. There we go. And Noodle as well, welcome in.
Noodle.
That's a very, very good start message there. Thank you for adding that. Also, yeah, I mentioned the buttons. Let's go. Bryza button. Does it work? Yes, let's go. There is the lovely Bryza. Also check them out as well as Days. The 2 lovely cuties here. If you haven't gave them a follow, they are very cozy and lovely streamers. So
thank you. So when you press the Bryza button, do it make a noise like?
Oh, it should. Oh my goodness. Okay, note added for the future. All right, let me actually bring up the schedule for this week. It should be here. It will cover you cuties for a bit, I'm sorry. They're still there, everyone. Don't worry. But here is our weekly coffee menu. We have Valheim today with the lovely Bryza and Days. We have Dungeons of Aether on Friday again. Yeah, gonna continue that amazing game with the very, very handsome furry characters.
Whoa,
yeah.
so cool.
Yeah, if you haven't checked them out already, check out Rio's Twitter or their Discord, because they posted a lovely art from the shark hero, and yeah, it is very, very well made. Also check out Rio's Twitch as well, if the Rio button works. Yeah, and on Sunday I will make my return to Beat Saber with your song requests. So yeah, we are gonna beating those sabers, gonna shake my hips to your tunes, and I'm sure it will be super, super lovely again. Love the drink hero? Yeah, let's go.
I might have a song prepared for you in Beat Saber.
Oh, you do? Oh my.
Yeah, I found a most cursed song that I could ever find, and yeah, you will experience it.
Oh no. Yeah, let's see. I'm pretty sure there will be the dosing experience again as well. Shaking hips to Igor. Oh my. I will die, Draken. I will die.
Oh, Brixxy, did you get my new model in the Valheim?
No.
That's okay.
I can
I'll have
quickly
just
add
a big tail. I'll have a big tail today. It's fine.
Oh my gosh.
Let me see. When was the last time you posted it? It must have been quite a while ago.
Yeah, I could drop the new model.
If you have it, you could drop it in the Discord channel, and I will quickly copy it over. It doesn't take very long. It's just copying a file. If I can find the game, that is.
Let me get the mac and cheese cookie off my screen. The abomination.
Yes, please do that. Don't keep it there.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Who said they would eat that? Who are you? Because it depends on the cookie. Because mac and cheese is really good, but that was a full ass like chocolate chip cookie.
Mm-hmm.
Mac
With
and cheese.
Oh no.
I mean,
Why?
If that tastes good, that's okay.
I highly doubt that, Bryza.
The chocolate does it for me.
A lot of people don't like some food because it looks very weird, but they could be very tasty. Like, I know that some people don't like eating snails and stuff. They are quite good.
Escargot.
Yeah, cheese and chocolate. Yeah, I think I saw that a few times actually, like chocolate with cheese.
Depends what cheese.
Yeah.
The yellow one could be a little weird, but...
Isn't that the one where Ashens nearly died?
What?
Dragon. Oh. Thank you, Days. Thank you very much. Oh my god, Days is super huge. Oh my goodness.
Huge.
The biggest cutie there is.
Let's go.
Alrighty.
Speaking of food...
Are you hungry?
Not anymore. I wonder...
And
Beans.
and beans. And your character's name is a Dagger, and there
Pebble.
we go.
Dogger.
Hey, love the beans. All right, we are all set up, so let's jump over to the game, I would say. So yeah, see you there in a few seconds. Mwah. Yo, here we are. TTS didn't play this with the sound effect.
Oh.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me see. Can I do it over here? Oh, I'm
There should be
sorry.
a replay, maybe, somewhere. Depends what you are using for the...
Oh, is there? There is like a replay. Oh no, it was the rar beans, and instead, yeah, if you like donate the exact amount of pitties for a sound effect, it will play that one instead of the TTS.
Oh.
So I'm sorry, Tracking.
There was a sound effect? What sound played?
At the sad trombone.
Oh.
There we go.
Rabins, 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 rabins,
Beans?
rabins, 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 rabins,
I see,
rabins,
oh my
rabins,
gosh.
rabins, 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 rabins,
I see a Tracking. Are you okay, Tracking? Thank you for that lovely message. But I agree, rar beans, yummers. Also, here I am. Yeah. Alrighty. Yeah, we have everything. And yeah, I hope you cuties are ready for some Valheiming. The last time we did... Turn off the music. The last time we did, secure a base in the plains. I think you, Bryza, did a great job over there while I was fighting some of the horny flies there.
What flies?
I'm sorry, the mosquitoes. Yes. And Days
So
was
many mosquitoes.
Days was doing their best with the fishing, I think.
Yeah.
All the fish.
At least two.
We need fish. Because food.
Also, I hope you cuties are having a lovely week so far. It is the middle of the week already. What a week, huh? Captain, it's Wednesday.
Already.
Yo.
And the best thing is tomorrow is a bank holiday in Austria. So I have a day off. I'm so looking forward to that. Dozing.
Rabins, rabins, beans, rabins, 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 beans, rabins.
I apparently joined the old...
Rabins, beans, rabins, rabins, rabins.
I'm sorry, Bryza.
Rabins, beans, rabins.
But you can add your comment to the rar beans.
Rabins, rabins, beans, rabins, 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 beans, rabins.
Meow. Okay, all right, it's finished.
I joined to old safe and, I wonder why you have a fog and I have a clear sky.
Oh.
And why aren't there?
Brixxy one love pump. Brixxy one
I'm
love pump.
Brixxy one
loading
love
it.
pump. No.
Brixxy one love pump. Brixxy one love pump. Brixxy one love pump.
Yes, we love the Brixxy
pump.
one love pump. Thank you, Dozing. Thank you, Tracking, for all the pitties. Oh my god. The burp is oh god. How is it called?
Dance. It was a dance.
Yeah.
Don't call it different. It is a dance. What?
Thank you for that quote. Also, yes, the game is only freezing because a Days is loading in.
Oh my gosh,
One
fish.
fish.
Yeah. Also, I hope the game is fluent for you. I don't know why, but it seems like awfully nice today. And yeah, and we don't even participated in the public test because, well, Bryza, you sent me something, right?
Yes, it's amazing.
Yeah, they are switching Unity versions and do lots of performance improvements apparently, but it's only in the public beta right now. So yeah, let's hope it will improve the performance quite a bit.
Yeah,
Oh,
let's
that's
hope.
good to hear.
Let's hope because sometimes the improved performance is much needed.
Yeah, really, we really noticed it last week with days because the smoke, apparently, like the smoke simulation, I think it's it's the suspect. Yeah, apparently like slows down the CPUs a lot.
Yeah, and I put a lot of smoke generators inside our house. So yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm like
sorry.
Smoking in Dirk. I just go.
Oh. Wait.
So
We have extra window.
Welcome in,
window?
Cuties, and thank you for the stretch and the hydrate. Sorry, Bryza.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Hello, Gibberdy. I just wonder why we have extra window in our house. What happened here?
Oh, did Windows install an update?
Yeah, apparently.
Oh. What? What happened here?
No idea.
Oh, interesting.
I'm going to fix it. Why this part?
Tracking, I can't believe you nibbled our walls.
Oh.
Also, I'm gonna take the wolf meat here before it turns into coal.
Take it.
Yeah. Do you want it? I'll
No,
put
I
it in
have
the
plenty.
chest.
Yeah, apparently everything is fine.
Yeah.
No damage is here, so I have no idea why this part was missing.
Dosing, why are you blushing? What are you up to? Dosing, you're the last one I expected this from. Oh my.
Rude.
Rude. I still need to add that sound effect.
Oh, I wanted to ask you, speaking of food and cursed things, I heard that, I was very shocked when I hear that, but a lot of people doesn't like the pickles, and especially the pickled cucumbers, like the preserved cucumbers, if you can name it. Yeah.
Like the ones in vinegar, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I never met opinion that they taste like they are well, not in the edible state. So I really like them.
Yeah, I think they are okay. They are not my favorite though, but I know lots of people like them, like my parents, for example, and you get them at every Heurigen in Austria, which is like a little like restaurant that the vineyards have usually. It's like a very it's like the Austrian kind of pub you can have. Where you can drink wine and also get like very Austrian food. And yeah, you can also get a sausage platter with those kinds of pickles.
Alright, wait, I'm looking on Wikipedia because I have no idea how to translate it. But I see that in English they're called gherkin.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
they are called Gurke in German.
Yeah, and I see the German is Salzgurken.
Yeah, Austrians don't say Salzgurke, they say Gurkel.
Okay.
Which is like the cute version
easier.
of Gurke.
Oh. Yeah, and in Polish it's ogórek. But it's mostly like the entire plant because
Okay.
if you wanted to say the correct name, it's a double word and it's a little hard to spell because it's ogórek kiszony. So it's the preserved cucumber.
I'd rather eat sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is
Sauerkraut is nice.
Good, yeah. But I get
I love
it like
sauerkraut.
it's my fault. The first time I got to try sauerkraut. It was the sauerkraut juice, which is horrible, absolutely horrible. And I had to I couldn't drink it. It was so bad. And although I really, really like sauerkraut, so I guess I I messed up there for you.
Wait, what's exactly sauerkraut? I'm. Oh, okay. You can drink it. How you can drink it?
What?
The sauerkraut.
There,
I just understood.
Yeah, you can buy sauerkraut juice here in Austria.
Oh.
It is, yeah, it's just they just make a juice out of it somehow. I don't know how. It doesn't taste like if you eat sauerkraut and just drink the juice it comes with. No, it's way worse. So.
No. Oh my gosh.
Do you use that to cook or something, maybe? Or like, I don't know, make more sauerkraut with it.
No, it's for your digestion. So it's for old people if they have like troubles there.
Got it.
Also, do you
Sauerkraut's
wanna come to bed for a nap?
Yes, I will.
Sure.
Just give me a moment. I'm making agriculture right now. Okay.
Also, thank you, Liam, for the stretch and the hydrate. Up.
I'm really filling up the field, and I really hope that will work. Oh my gosh, it's so filled up right now.
Oh my.
All right, I'm coming.
Oh, well, what did you post, Cuties?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's go! Look at all the beans! Oh my goodness! Oh my! Sorry, I couldn't hold myself back.
Wait. Can we also see it? Where is it?
It's in the pics and selfies in my I think in my Discord. It's
oh my
spoiler.
Gosh!
Yes, so many beans.
That's insane amount of beans. Oh my gosh!
Yes. All right.
Bean overdrive.
Yay! Even more beans. Different kinds of beans.
Okay, we have a lot of seed.
Yes, seed for the burp.
Yes.
I will go to the plains now and check on our fields over there. Oh, evil music.
Oh no.
Okay. No, it's fine. Oh my god. The barley is not ready yet.
Maybe not.
Flex also not yet.
It's quite early.
Yeah. And the windmill is going crazy.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's what should windmill do.
Parsi! Hey! How are you, Cutie, doing?
Oh. It wins the mill.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, we gotta like to fight more villagers.
No, we can do it.
Yeah. Get some more equipment. Like we got nearly everything prepared now to like craft better armor, better weapons.
Better weapons.
Yeah. Although I'm quite happy with the eggs I have here.
Egg.
You're doing great. That's lovely to hear. Sorry.
Oh, I just got 2 fish with 1 hook.
Yo, double fish. Let's go. Yeah.
That's efficient fishing.
Yes.
It's called efficiency. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, I hate myself. Efficiency. Oh.
It's all right, Bryza. It's all right.
That's disgusting.
But yeah, we are doing great, I think. I had a very busy day. I had a busy day at work, lots of meetings. Then I was at the doctor's. Everything went fine there. And afterward, I did a little run. And yeah, that one went well as well. Yeah. And yeah, talked a little bit with my parents who are leaving for Italy for a vacation, and I gotta take care of the burps for them.
They also have birds?
Yes,
Oh my gosh.
they have two cockatiels called Chacha and Lily.
Oh, so cute.
Eee!
Oh my gosh.
Doctor had to shave Brixxy bald. No, did it not?
I will join you, Brixxy.
On the balding.
No, not the planes.
Oh no, bold burp.
Oh. I saw how the birds look without feathers. It's not good.
No.
They look like dinosaurs.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Like near our base here we have the goop. Be very, very careful. They shoot at you, they will slow you down and you won't escape.
Oh. I realized I don't have arrows.
Oh.
Oh, I have arrows, sorry.
Oh no, they got you. Let's see if we can kill them.
Yeah.
Nice shot.
I'm stinky. Okay.
Hey Dragula, welcome in.
Dragler.
Wait.
It's word of goo.
Was it yesterday or today? I'm all confused that you had your birthday, but anyway, happy birthday, Dragula.
Yo, happy
Happy
birthday.
Yee! Abba
Aw.
indeed. I hope you had lots of abba-buying.
Oh, there's another one.
Oh god. I was too greedy. I wanted to pick up the tar here.
What direction are you guys from the portal?
You should see us on the map, I think.
Yeah, we are on the
But
plains.
it's on the west, I think. Yes. Niemand ohne Seife waschen.
Tar. It's stuck in the tar.
Yeah.
I guess.
I think there was a way to like get the tar out. It's stuck in the tar. Yes.
It's also stuck in the tar.
Yeah, we need to get rid of the tar.
No, I'm stuck in the tar.
Oh no!
Oh, Days, are you okay?
Yeah.
Because I see you are fighting with something.
Oh, are we fighting? Oh god, where is it?
The big
I
one.
fought a mosquito.
Oh,
Oh.
yo, good luck dosing with work. Can I have the tar? Draken, what are you planning to do with it? If I may ask. It's stuck in the tar. No! God, yeah, we need to get rid of it. Yeah, the way to do is to like dig
We can
a hole
dig a
for
hole.
yeah, so
Yeah.
that it will like move somewhere else. Hard Sun roleplay? What? Ah, now I got the joke. Ah, that took me way too long tracking.
I have no idea. Oh.
Because Tarzan,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
get it.
Yeah.
It's easy
Like-
to put on fire, okay.
I think we are expanding the tower, not exactly.
Yeah, it's like yeah, we have to like move it away from there. So
Oh, it's moving. Okay.
we need to make it so flow downwards.
It's a fluid. I hear goblin. Oh, there are goblins near you,
no.
Brixxy.
Uh-oh.
I mean, there are one of them.
Oh no, I'm stuck in the tar. Oh, they are shooting me. Ah, thank you. Thank you, Days.
Oh, there's a village on the map in front of us.
Oh, Dragula, I get it as well. Very nice. Game the stronghold
Precision.
series.
Ah, yes, yes.
Ah, we nearly got it. We nearly got it.
Yes.
Ah, you can already take
I
some.
got it, yeah.
Okay, let me... Ah, there's another village. I see. That's where they are coming from.
There's so much tar here. I remember a stronghold when you can make a tar holes around your castle and then light it on fire. It was terrible.
Yeah.
For the enemies, but it was very good for defenses. But still, horrors beyond imaginations. There's so much tar here.
Yeah, make sure to like let the tar flow somewhere else. So don't dig too much near the pond. Dig like a way for it, and then dig over there, so it can flow somewhere else. Also, Days, are you still here?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think the tar's almost uncovered.
Eee.
Come check this out.
I was just wondering because you have been so quiet.
Oh yeah, I'm focused on not mining the wrong spot right now because I want the
Okay.
tar to flow down the hill.
Yeah,
it's,
it is a
so
little bit
strategical.
hard.
It's
But
stuck
it's
in a
almost
pool
empty.
now though.
Yeah,
So,
now we have
yeah.
a pool.
Yeah,
It's
we
almost
depleted
almost
it to a
over.
puddle, and I didn't want to mine too close to it and then mess it up.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
fine.
but we need to do it.
Yeah, we do, don't we?
I will.
We nearly
Open it.
got it.
Okay.
Oh, Bryza, I think you got it.
Yeah. Oh,
Yes.
there's some
Yep.
more.
Only a little bit more.
Please. No. Yes. No.
Maybe. I don't know. Can you read? Oh! Oh no, I'm making it worse. I'm sorry. No, now we have the huge pond again.
That's okay. So there
You
should be a
can-
high ground right here. We just need to mine like.
We can also make ground higher, right?
Yeah.
Do you have a hoe?
Yes.
Bryza is getting tired and feathered. Oh no!
Chris is already feathered.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
where is the workshop? Crafting? Oh, it's 10 wood. I don't have wood.
Here you go.
Oh, you have wood? Oh,
8 wood.
thank you. That's enough. That's enough.
Also. Yo, Unbiko! Welcome in. How's your week going? Oh, did we get it?
No, I think I blew it up. Oh, I got it.
Yay! Let's go. Great job, guys.
Nice.
Yo. It's so ugly right now.
Yes, it is really hard. But we got lots of tar, so that's lovely.
Yes. Oh my gosh, we have. I have 61 tar.
Oh my goodness, I only have 10.
That's really good.
Bryza got all the goop.
Oh.
What's the goop
Okay.
good for?
Crafting. You
Yeah,
can
and
craft
building.
Yeah, especially like buildings.
Oh.
Cool.
Ah! Oh no, I missed.
Hit or miss.
What? Ah! It just moved out of the way. That was mean.
Oh, there's a the skit. Oh, okay. I thought.
I only have 4 arrows. I don't know if we should.
Oh, I died. Almost
what?
died to fire.
Yeah, they are a star,
Yes.
so they are super strong. Yo,
can-
ow!
You can hit him. I'm faster than him.
Oh, you're dragging them.
I know, but I'm trying to get hit. And he's focused on me because I'm. Oh,
That nearly killed. That would have killed them.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. Okay, let's try that again. Ah, nice, you staggered them.
Nice. I love the harpoon. It's so silly.
Yee. Very
Oh, I also
silly.
see the Skito.
Yeah, let's
flying.
maybe move back to the base and bring the tar.
Yes. Oh my god. I mean, that looks more realistic right now.
Yeah, we already got the black metal last time and crafted the porcupine for days.
Yes.
Although I'm not sure if you needed black metal for that.
No. I think no. I'm not. I don't remember. I think we only
Crafted
need a
by
normal metal.
Bryza.
Oh.
And the shield is really cool too. Black metal shield.
Where are you Where are you shooting?
I was shooting at the bird, but it despawned. It was very mean.
Now the music here is so nice.
Yeah. It's because there was a village here.
Yeah, but I think it really fits the village.
Yee. Let's see. How's the barley doing? All looking fine, yeah. Also be careful to not walk over it, because it will destroy it, I think, if I remember correctly.
Okay.
The barley.
Yeah, and the flags.
Okay. Beans all over your garden by accident.
No.
We also
No,
have
I
a
won't.
hoe. I was sorry, cultivator near it. So in case we need to replant the seed, we have it already.
Ah, perfect.
Just for convenience.
Oh, the flaxen stuff is in the plains. Okay.
Yes. We can
Okay.
only do it there.
Yeah, we will get everything, Dragula.
Oh my gosh, the dark woods look so great.
Everything. Where is stuff? Okay, we got plenty of feathers by now. And I think we got a few bones, like a chest full of them.
Yes.
I have 12 fish.
Oh,
Yo, let's go.
I didn't make all of them. I think I took some from the chest as well.
There is a
But-
stack, if I remember.
Yeah, we have a stack of 23 fish now.
I know
That's a
there's
lot
a
of
stack
fish.
command, but yeah, it only works if you have the right chest open.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Did you see I gathered more wood over here, Bryza?
yes, thank you.
Yes. Do you need anything else?
I think not right now.
Okay.
Right.
Too much.
I will craft a few arrows so we can plunder the village. Let's see, what shall we go for? First, feathers. We don't have many needles, which would make a nice arrow.
We love feathers.
Yeah, we do. Could
Yo,
maybe
feathers
make
is
some.
awesome.
Yeah. Let's see, do we have lots of obsidian? Wow.
Not sure.
Oh, like none at all. Okay, let's not do obsidian arrows. Maybe I'll grab some obsidian later.
I have absolutely no arrows.
True, we mega love feathers. So even if they're not here, we can do this. The feathers button, I have that as well. Okay, yeah, we actually need obsidian to make some decent arrows. So I'm gonna grab that. We will need it sooner or later anyway. Yo, 3 rars? That sounds great. Okay. I think I'm prepared. Gonna check out the mountains real quick for some obsidian.
Oh, I think that looks better.
Which mountain is good for that? Maybe let's try the portal named a mountain. There's a mountain too? Oh no! Mountain 2 it is.
Brixxy, if you click on the map on the cartography table, you will have my my discoveries, and I named all the portals in the map.
Ah, I see portal and portal, mountain portal.
Yeah, so you can have you know the correct names in it.
Oh,
well,
that's lovely.
you have the older one right now.
Ah, okay. Yeah, we'll update it in a bit. Brixxy, can you toast Bryza a little?
No.
Toast the burp.
No. Okay. I'm wondering if there will be any problems if I will use 4 iron.
Why should there be any problem?
I don't know. Maybe. I mean, sorry, it's 8 iron instead. Because I want to make a door.
No, can't believe Bryza 8 iron.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, a bit. I like it.
Crunch.
Oh. Hump.
Hump. Yeah, I usually would think that Draken would be the one to do that. Oh, why is it night again? Didn't pay attention. It's gonna be
Let's
fine.
see. Can I come with you? I'm coming with you.
Oh,
Yo.
There might be wolves here. Remember, this is infamous spot on the map.
All right.
God, I don't have arrows. Ah! It's fine.
There's one dragon.
Among Us.
And I hear wolf. You know, where's wolf?
I have my bone mass buff if you want a poof.
Okay. Got rid of the wolf.
Good job.
Oh. I hear the epic fight between Daze and the Vivan, the Drake in the background.
Oh yeah.
Ah! Oh no, they are here! Ah!
Oh, we are being besieged. A little. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Our walls
Why are
being
great
attacked
roughs
by
here?
skeletons.
What?
I brought friends. Fine.
Don't kill
I don't have
Morgus.
arrows. I'm kind of helpless right now.
Oh no, do you also not have any arrows?
No, I was like, I don't have arrows, and then I didn't craft any. Yeah. Fine. Maybe the dragon will give us a hug.
I'm not sure, they are not fluffy. I mean, sure, scaly dragons can also give great hugs, but... Oh.
Do we need a wishbone right now? We're not looking for silver, are we?
No, we're looking at the stones here for obsidian.
Oh, okay.
They look like this.
Oh my god, this gate looks amazing.
Oh,
found
what
some
is
obsidian.
this fender ring? And 2 wolves. Oh my goodness. Ah!
2 wolves.
I'm gonna die. Oh. Okay, I killed one of them. I killed the wolf as well. Ah. The wyvern is still on me. The drake is still on me. Okay, here's the next obsidian. Alright. It's really annoying we can't fight this one. Oh, maybe if they come over here like this. Ah, my stamina will run out before I reach them. Ah, but I see obsidian over there. Oh, and even more.
I picked up some. Is that some over there? Oh, I see it. I'm distracting the dragon.
Ah, nice.
It's like throwing a cat toy on Brixxy. You're also distracting
What?
dragon.
No. That would never work. No.
Yeah, sure.
No.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now.
Aww.
It's so awesome when you can see beautiful stuff in this game.
Aww. There's so many wolves here.
Yeah, I think there's a Fenring, the big wolf.
Oh, if you find something wolf related, I will gladly be very happy, especially with the fur.
Oh, yeah, we got lots
hair,
of...
hair, sorry, the fur hair. Because my armor is still from the swamps, so it's a little old.
Hey, there's a wolf on me.
Oh
One
no!
wolf.
There's a wolf among us. Okay, what we need?
I bonked the
Nice.
wolf.
Oh,
Oh, we can create a pots and pans.
Not the puns, Annie's not here yet.
Or spice rack. That would be awesome. Yeah.
Let's go. I
I
think
will
we
make
got...
the spice rack.
I see more over there. But my stamina is running low. And the drake is still here. Ah. It's really not giving up.
Oh no, we don't have turnips. Oh no.
well, there goes my stamina. Bye, Brixxy.
Oh no! I will follow you. I think we got enough obsidian. It's 70 in my
Okay.
inventory.
I have 14.
Nice. Okay. Yeah, I think that will be sufficient for now. So let's head home, away from the evil drake.
That dragon was still annoying us.
Tracking, oh my. Also, Brixxy, I got my Nebenkostenabrechnung today. Oh God. Yeah.
What is this?
It is it's stuff like the water, the trash service, and everything like related around the house to keep it running. Yo, Seth, welcome in. How are you doing? And like once a year, if you're renting a place, they will send you like if like what it cost the last year and if they will like increase or decrease the monthly pay for that. And if you have to like pay something for last year or maybe get something back. And yeah, the only thing is at my current place, I apparently don't get it. I'm a little bit surprised as well, but it is included in my rent, so I guess that's the reason why I don't get it. But yeah, I'm not complaining because the rent is very, very good. Was afraid of the energy market. Oh yeah, I still pay for electricity and the heating, and those prices, yes, 600% more. Yes.
Oh God. There's something hitting our walls.
What?
Are we under attack?
I think.
Another scaly in chat. Oh, I can't believe it, Draken. No, don't turn
Not
me
a
into a
scaly.
scaly. I'm not scaly. No.
Oh, there's skeletons. There's skeletons here.
Scalies are cute, but I'm fluffy. I will bury you under my fluff.
I mean, not like they can do anything with our wall.
Right.
I mean, only skeletons are really aggressive in terms of attacking the walls. Because the Grey Dwarfs don't do it.
I'm not gonna join you. Nya.
So I'm thinking about reworking a little our kitchen.
Oh.
And I don't have inventory space. Oh my God.
Yeah, I will craft all the arrows now.
Oh,
With the 22 wood we have.
do you need more flint? And here's wood.
Flint?
I have more wood.
No. But we need lots of wood.
Here, I'll bring you 50.
Yo, that's great. Where did I place? Ah, yeah. Here we go. The obsidian. Oh. Yay! Thank you. Beans of us, one of us, one of us. Even Beanspots once said, no. Mojang finally added to the Minecraft in a snapshot more crafting options for tough and copper or even copper. Ah, okay. Yeah, I'm not a Minecraft player, so I have no idea what that means, but I'm sure it's amazing. And Draken will go crazy. I played Minecraft in a very early stage where yeah, I think if you got, there was no copper, I think. You had like what did you have? You had like iron. Ow! Ow! No! 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 Stop it! Stop it! No! 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 Stop it! Ow! Ow! Ow, Draken! Behave! Behave! I'm gonna name you. And beans! Yo! Ambigo wants to see the beans. Here we go, beans. And hydrate. And stretch. Oh my god, everything. And kissy.
I can show those for free.
Yay!
Oh my gosh.
Ah,
Thank you for the hydrate.
Thank you. Okay, let's see what kind of stuff we can do. I think frost arrows are pretty cool because they slow down the fuelings. If I can find the chest with the freeze cleanse.
feelings are so fast.
Yee. Oh god, where did we put them? Oh, beans! Yay! Ah, I think, honestly, I think this is my favorite redeem.
I wonder why.
I wonder how. I wonder. Wait.
Everything is in the chest temporarily here.
All right. Thank you.
I cannot fit here a kitchen, and I'm very displeased about it.
Aww. Also, thank you for the scan.
Oh, I can.
Very thick
do it.
snoot.
Okay, it will be a little cursed, but I will do it anyway.
Okay. Let's craft those frost arrows. Yo, two-horned unicorn, welcome in. Fluffy Vikings indeed. How are you doing? Fluffy weaponized cuties. We are gonna raid a village very soon, as Vikings do.
I don't know about you, but I'm fishing. I got 2 fish already. I'm getting better.
Let's go.
I figured it out.
Oh,
It helps to be on a boat.
okay. Okay, yeah, we need more feathers. I'm gonna craft some cheap arrows as well. Just to shoot like burps. Sorry, Bryza, no offense.
Oh, we need
As
feathers
always.
now. Okay.
Glad to hear you're well. Yay, doing good as well. Did a little run today. Feeling very fluffy. And yeah, having a lovely time. Very cozy with Bryza and Days here.
Yes. Hello.
Hi!
We should take the boat and go hunt for birds.
With the boat?
Boat and arrows, yeah. I'm fishing on the boat. It'd be efficient.
It should be bow and arrows, not boat and arrows.
Yes.
Fine. I like the fishing on the boat so far. It would be cool in motion too. I don't know if that'd work. You'd have to go park the boat somewhere.
You're already fishing for our love.
Yes.
Successfully.
I have caught a pike.
Pikey doggo.
Yum. Oh my god, the fish.
Oh, I'm so looking forward for fish and chips. Gonna visit trekking very soon in the UK. And yeah, the UK, I mean, the thing there is the fish and chips. And I never had those, I think, while I was there. The piece will be so mushy. Yeah, let's go. But I think the last time I was in the UK, it was work related. It was in the middle of nowhere and there were only like a few pubs. And yeah, I tried lots of things there, like, what were they called? I think the pies. But the pies, they are not sweet, they are meaty and greasy. And yeah, also some burgers.
Oh my gosh.
And amazing soup.
That sounds so well.
Yeah, and I can't wait to try the fish and chips as well. Yee. Ah. Yeah, this Turk will be soft and round after eating all the food over there.
Oh.
Burp. Burp, come on land. Where Burp go? Where did Burp go? cherry tart. I missed the burp. There we go. I mean, tart is kind of similar. It is, I think it is like a cake that you have like in a specific form. You lay it out with, ow! You lay it out with a little bit of dough, then put all the stuff in, the stuffing, like apples, for example, and everything. And then you put something on top, another layer of dough, and then you put it in the oven. I mean, that is kind of a cake, yeah. Although not very fluffy. Yee! It is similar to a quiche, actually, like the French kind. I also really like quiche.
Hey, Brixxy, there's a burb right here.
Yo!
Hello, it's me.
I don't know if it's still there, but I saw a burb back there.
Yeah!
Just slowly approach it.
I'll try. Let's see if I can find it.
It might have spooked and ran away. I don't know.
Ah, but thank you. I see another burp. Got it. And one is landing right next to me. And despawned. Okay.
Lovely. As you do in nature.
Yeah, birds do something like this. Didn't you know?
They make the Half-Life 2 sound effect of moving up,
Yes.
disappearing.
Yes. Like the one I have for the Scrungle.
Yes. Okay, we have now a stone oven.
Yo, we can make bread.
Yeah, we
Yes,
don't
Draken,
have,
exactly that one. Thank you.
we don't have exactly much stuff for it, I think. Can we make a bread? No, I'm not sure.
That's a great scan.
Oh no.
The one-eyed Brixxy.
You're the one-eyed Brixxy.
Is that the infamous one-eyed Brixxy?
Arr. Und ne Buddel voll rum.
One-eyed. And Freddy's.
Brixxy when mushy peas. Oh no, it's raining! I will get all soggy. No!
No stamina.
Ugh.
We should craft a raincoat.
True.
That'd be
Oh,
awesome.
When do we get that?
the Valheim soundtrack is now on Spotify. Ooh. Yeah, I think I never noticed.
It's really awesome.
Ah, sorry,
It's
Days.
a very great soundtrack.
Yeah, very cozy. That means I can play it as an intro or when we go back to the cafe.
Oh.
Ah, but I only got 6 feathers. That's not a lot.
Here, I have 2 feathers.
Ah, thank you. That makes for another 20 arrows. So we can make 80 more arrows. That's lovely.
And
Already a
here you
start.
go. I'll just leave this next to the crafting station, I guess. Here you go.
Oh. Ah. Yeah, still need to grab more wood.
I have 50 of it.
Yo! Keep, please. Keep. Yeah. Oh. Thank you. I mean, yeah,
Just
I guess
build
that's
it.
how it looks. And I just take it in my pocket, in my tailbags.
Yep.
Oh no, I
Put
forgot.
it all in there.
I forgot I don't have the tailbags on this model here. Ah,
No.
It's cool that you could have them, though.
yee! But I think the material was not working and I was too lazy to fix it.
Oh. cute.
Yes, you are.
You as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah. Alrighty. More frost arrows. Here we go. Nope.
Okay.
Bryza is rampaging.
Yes.
My cauldron. I was gonna put my fish in it so I could have fish.
Oh, sorry,
Yeah.
I'm in the middle of the making a better kitchen.
It's okay. I like it so far. I like the space. Here, I'll just put in the. I'll put my food in there. There we go.
Because
Do you
we
need
don't
this
have
iron for something?
iron. Yes, I will need. If you
Oh.
collect one, I will need iron.
Draken. Oh, Draken, I think you know by now what that means. Exactly. Always go rar. Unless you're a kobold, then you go yip. Yes, Draken, that's correct. Ich sage yip. Learning German with Draken. Oh, why do we have black metal and iron here?
Because I was a little too heavy.
Ah, heavy burp.
Yo.
But it's still so amazing that you're learning German and know what it means and how to use it. That's so amazing to watch. I mean, I know like Luna has been learning German as well for quite a while, with Clued and Duolingo. But yeah.
I mean, Groot doesn't need to have learned German.
Yeah, but Clued is like teaching Luna.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Did someone collect a tin?
The
Because-
Yes,
tin?
I did.
Oh,
Oh,
It's
can
in
you
the
keep
bottom
it?
chest in the storage room, like on the left side.
oh. Do you need any help, Draken? Do you have any questions I can answer?
Oh, and I think someone took the black metal.
Yeah, put it in the chest. Do you need it?
Oh, yes,
Oh, I'm sorry.
that's okay.
You're taking all your stuff.
I know.
Do you need the iron too?
Yes,
Okay, I
because
think
I'm
it
making a
was
kitchen.
it was 7 black metal, I think, and 5 iron, right?
Mm-hmm.
Jawohl. I know what Hosenbügler means now. I didn't know what Hosenbügler means. I never heard that word before, and I was working in a hotel once.
Thank you.
But yeah, for those who are wondering, what the heck are they talking about? It's an iron, a trousers ironing machine that apparently is a thing in some hotels, where you like put your trousers in and it will iron them. So yeah, some hotels apparently have that.
Okay, that sounds a
Browsers.
little weird.
Yeah, they are famous.
Interesting.
Yeah, but it is apparently something that Draken is learning in the first few months of German. That's so important. Alrighty, cuties, we have arrows now. Many frost arrows in the chest here. So if you need any, feel free to take some.
Tell me, do we have some bronze nails?
I'm not sure where. So what the heck? What was that?
Oh, we have.
Acorns.
Sorry,
Ooh.
we have bronze nails. Okay, I have it.
Ah,
I
great.
have them.
Yo! Ice cream. We can make ice cream again.
Okay, I created a little.
Yo!
And also
I like
will need a turnip. Yeah, we don't need to worry about making our way into the fire anymore. I cannot collect turnip yet because I will make a spice rack.
Yee! Aw, so spicy.
But not now. I need turnips still. So
I will press your trousers flat. Oh no! Does it work with jeans though? You need to ask that your German teacher. Can you put jeans in a Hosenbügler? Or will they melt?
Oh, I took your wood here.
What? Thank you.
No? What do you mean? Only trousers? Oh, okay. Nothing else. I see. It will explode! Oh my goodness! I kind of want to see that. Explodes your hotel room. Whoop! Burped?
Yeah.
Your burps? Your burps.
Yep.
Whee!
Iskra.
Ah. Also, why is there a hole in the...
Yeah, because I made the hole because the fire needs to escape.
Ah, okay.
I mean the smoke because it was too smoky here.
Ah, I see.
The fire will go out once in a while. I cannot do anything with it.
Yeah, should we go to sleep and see if it stops raining that way?
Yeah.
But I can't because there are enemies nearby.
Oh.
And also Draken wants us to hydrate and stretch. Up.
Okay.
Mwah.
Bye. I'm stretching. I'm gonna go get more coffee then.
Oh, I
It let me
approve
sleep,
of that.
Brixxy.
Hmm?
I'm asleep.
Yeah, I'm
I
also
think
asleep.
What? This is rude. I'm soggy. I will trip all over you.
No, soggy
Okay.
dog.
Ah, there we go. There we go. And will the rain end? I think it will. Oh, what? What are these quotes? Yeah. Yeah, we can cook now. Yeah, it is on. It has a little cooldown, so you can't use it too fast. Beer stew. Oh, that sounds nice.
Sorry, Brix, can you move? I need to.
Yes. Sorry.
Because I think the pots and pans unfortunately block the fire.
Pardon, what? Oh my god, this dosing is full of seeds. Oh my.
Yeah, now it's better.
Eee. Okay, what else can we cook? We can cook ice cream. Yeah, that one has amazing stamina. And it only takes Grey Dwarf Ice and Freeze Cleanse? Holy heck. Okay.
The Viking ice cream.
Let's go. Where did I put these?
Can we collect the turnip now, please? I want to make something. No, turnip.
All the ice cream.
By the way, how do you like the gate?
Oh, which gate?
Out for our house.
I didn't look yet.
I'm really happy.
I'm making all the ice cream here.
Yo.
Alright, that should be plenty.
Oh, by the way, remember to take the cartography table map.
Yeah, I did.
I'm back.
Oh,
Welcome back.
just click on
Sounds
map
good.
on the cartography table. No, not there, not there. No. On the map itself, not the to the read
Yeah.
map.
Yeah, there are
not
two
the
places
record.
you can click on. Record and
yeah.
read map.
Yeah, now you have mine stuff. The map.
Pretty, very pretty.
You are very pretty.
Ah,
Yeah, so we have a little more pretty stuff here.
let's go.
Oh,
Also,
looks
I
like I
want
picked up
salty.
someone's bronze nails. Here you go.
Hmm?
I picked up your nails.
Nails?
Bronze
What?
nails, yeah.
Oh, I wonder where they're from.
I don't know.
But okay, I like it.
The house is very pretty. I like the space now in the kitchen.
Yeah, the kitchen looks better.
Okay.
I think we don't need 2 fermenters anymore. We only need 1. It makes a little more smoke, unfortunately, but well,
Aw.
I cannot do anything with it.
Is the cauldron lit? It is.
Yes, because the pans were blocking the fire before.
Oh, no, not the
That
fire
was-
fire blocking pans.
Yes.
Also, do you cuties want to raid a village?
Yes.
Eee.
I only
Then
need a little,
grab some arrows in the chests down below.
Okay, give me 5 seconds for my fish to cook.
All right.
I will also prepare. Soon I will be able to make a spice rack. I will need 2 turnips more.
Yo, let's go. Then we can cook all the stuff there is, I think.
Yeah, I think that they're all of them then, which is amazing.
Alrighty, through to the plains. Do you have arrows, Days?
I
Yes,
don't have yet.
thank
Give
you.
me a second.
Nice.
I only have needle arrows.
Yeah, I put them in the chest with the other arrows. There should be like 180 frost arrows and some others as well.
Right, I will grab them. Oh, frost arrows! Oh my gosh.
Oh, is the barley ready? Yes. Let's quickly do that.
It's ice cream. Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
I
you
hate,
get it.
I hate the name.
I didn't know.
No.
I didn't know Annie was a game designer for Valheim.
Yeah, I think it's quite possible now. Okay, I will make sure. The turnips are slowly growing up. I can collect some of them. It's really weird that I think they are a little random. Maybe depends the sun or something, or just probably random when they will grow up, because they grow up very weird.
Oh, there's a mosquito behind the wall.
I have all the flax right now.
Nice. Be careful, don't step on the.
Oh,
I'm snake.
okay.
It's my job. Always step on
It's-
snake.
Here, will you help me with the flax real quick?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Then let me land some of it.
Oh, the mosquito is like at the top of the wall. It's not
Purple
coming over.
alarm.
I'm sorry.
Aw, cute. They are
I'm
happy.
surprised the wall's keeping the mosquito out.
Yeah, they're like, wanna get in. Yeah.
And
Can you
it's
turn
gone.
the burps up?
What do you mean up?
Let's turn the burps up. Is that better?
Increase the birds.
I think that's all we can plan for now. Aw, so cute.
You are so cute.
Yeah. All right. I'm stuck. Ah, okay. Yeah, let's see where the mosquitoes are. True, Bryza's avatar animating to the birds.
Oh my gosh, you're right. They sometimes are really loud.
All right.
By the way, the spice rack is here, so we can create bread.
Nice. Be careful, they do quite a bit of damage.
Unbaked log spy. Fish wraps, yo!
Yo, let's go! Ah, the log spy is really great if I remember correctly.
The fish wraps look like a kebab or something, oh my gosh. It's like a tortilla. Bread and fish, what's more to wish? Oh my gosh. Blood pudding, it's bloody tasty.
Oh, blood pudding. I mean, that's what basically black pudding is, so...
Yeah.
Well done.
Yeah, well done, you too. Great,
I mean, I
way
didn't
to distract them.
attend. I will go right now to you.
Eee. Also, the cloudberries are really, really great for stamina. And you can get many of them.
Would you like a fish?
I think I'm good for now. I got so sick. Black pudding, my beloved. All right. Shall we head over to the village?
Let's go. Can we get a stamina buff? Just whenever. If you have it, Bryza.
Ah,
Yay!
perfect. So I think I saw a village over here. Wait, is there? Oh, there's a goop.
Slime.
Ow, ow. Rude. Ah, nice.
Oh, there's
Is there another one?
Yeah, inside.
Ow. How dare you? Okay, got it.
No, it's stuck in there.
Oh, and there's another one in there. Ah, let's just ignore it. Humph.
Nom.
Black pudding. If
I never
it's
ate
chocolate
pudding.
pudding.
I never ate pudding and I really want to.
Yeah, black pudding is with blood, so...
Yeah, I can guess. Maybe we will. Oh,
They're already coming
Oh.
over.
yeah.
Be careful from the big guys, they will kill you fast. Oh, also there's a mage.
Oh my god, there's so many.
Uh-oh. will get the shaman. Oh. At least one of them. The other ones are just running away, okay. Ow. Ow, 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 I'm dead, I'm dead.
No.
It was too much. Oh, yeah, that shaman really got me. Distracted me from the others. Ah.
Ah, I have a Furling and a Berserker Furling on me right now.
I'm fighting with 1-star Ferling.
Okay.
Oh.
There was a second big
But
guy.
yeah,
I didn't see where that one came from. Oh my god.
No.
but yeah, usually it's smart to pull them one by one with the bow.
I brought them to the tar.
That might be a good strategy though. If they will fall down, that would be awesome.
I'm trying to make it happen. It's not happening.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, there are the new recipes. Let's see, what can I eat? Is there something in here?
Yeah, there are a lot of food in the left chest.
Hey, I got some of them in the tar. One of them.
Nice.
Yeah. If you guys want to brawl, come to the tar pits. It's where it's at right now.
Oh my.
Oh no, Dace, don't jump into the tower.
It's fine. I've been doing this. It's fine.
No, I think that... Wait. Oh god. Can I bring the big one inside?
Yo,
Drawing.
Draco, howdy, howdy. You are a cutie as well.
Yeah, okay, the big one is inside the tower.
Good job. Brixxy, it's easy pickings at the tar pit today. Look at this. Good job, bird.
Oh my gosh, this is really happening.
How are you doing, Draco? Welcome in, cutie.
Yo, Draco.
Okay, I got my stuff. Let me put it on. Oh, they are coming for me.
Okay, when you finish the first, I will bring you a second one if you want, Days.
Okay.
Let's do this. Okay, it's frozen now, so it should be easy to kill.
Check it in the tar pit.
Yeah, look at the tar pit, Brixxy.
Yeah, I had to get my grave.
Oh, it didn't have the grave yet, okay.
Ah, you're happy? Ah, that's lovely to hear. And
Oh, finish the first
here.
one.
Okay.
I will bring you the second one soon.
I'm just low on stamina. Okay.
Yeah, it should move slow now.
Okay,
There we go.
Days, be careful. Oh, okay. He's getting it on its own turns. Oh
Oh,
no, you are going to the trap, Days. You cannot escape from there, I think.
it's okay. I'll just get my stamina back. It's fine. Save me.
Oh man.
Nice. Yeah, Draco, we are doing good. Just Valheiming here today. We are currently raiding another village, or at least trying to.
Yes.
All right. Yeah, let's head back. And this time, sorry, I will try to be more careful. Let's not pull them. Let's instead just shoot them with an arrow. Pull them one by one.
Oh, I just noticed that Alexis. I mean, Alex.
one of them dead.
The Siskin art posted the video of them the graduation animation.
Oh,
It's really amazing.
they're too small. Yeah, I need to watch it later.
Yeah, I really recommend it. It's incredible.
Is it a 3D animation?
No, it's a animation drone one, you know.
A 2D animation.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
So, I missed. Very careful. Oh, I missed the word.
Eee. Alrighty. Ow, that hurt.
Be careful. I'll try to squish the shaman. Oh, there are 3 shamans. There are 3 shamans.
Dace is
No.
dead.
I will try to then.
My attack animation is longer than I thought it was.
You should really... Oh, okay, I'm dead too.
I'm also dead.
Well, we should use the bows more. We got the frost arrows, so it will slow them down, and you can like just walk backwards and slowly shoot them.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah. And not pull too many.
Oof.
We can sleep, I think.
Well, Dace is not here. Or is it? Oh, everyone died.
Yeah.
Right.
What is my character doing? Doing
I have no idea.
the
Oh, I
sit-ups.
couldn't get cozy.
And getting cozy again and again.
Comfort level 10.
Just
Whoa.
getting cozy the whole night.
Aw.
Yeah, I think the best comfort we have is like 12 somewhere.
Alrighty, let's go and get our stuff back and
Yep.
our revenge.
By the way, I really like your shirt. I mean the hoodie.
Oh, in the game?
In your stream.
Eee, thank you.
That's
Was
super
it-
cute.
Halloween.
Yeah, I thought it is kinda Halloween themed, so I went with it. Also done by the amazing Morgus, who also did the wings.
Oh.
I really need to get my ref sheet updated because it is missing the propatagium of my wings. So whoever now is asking, what the heck is a propatagium? It is the little wing flaps, like up at the upper part of the wings, like in between the wing arms. Oh god, Devskito, Bryza! Ah!
Yeah. I thought it will not notice me, and I didn't notice him, so.
Oh god.
Nice.
I
Oh my
killed it.
gosh.
I got the revenge for you.
Thank you.
But yeah, and now I have been commissioning a few artists, and I always forgot to tell them, yeah, you need to edit because it's missing on the ref. But yeah, it's really hard to update the ref there because there's some text there. And it's kind of hard to reach out to my ref sheet artist because they seem to be doing other stuff than drawing right now.
That's a very complicated word, though.
It is. Yeah, learned about it thanks to Morgus, who is like very, very how do you say? He takes really much care about wings. He cares a lot about them, and so he has like a very own ref sheet just showing what the names are for the different parts of the wing.
Well, that's amazing.
Yee. But he really knows his stuff because, like, he does all the amazing wings for the 3D models, and also the hoodies. And it's all self-taught.
Do any of you guys have any of the puke berries?
Yeah,
Thank you.
just one.
Buke berries.
Yee! Yes, love the Wyvern models as well.
I really want to get to the new job and commission a model from Lucian.
Oh,
Yeah, it's amazing artist, and I wonder if they are making the bird models too.
oh, okay.
They are quite known by making the Adastra model videos, the short ones, the funny short ones. Yeah.
Yo, new improved burp. It would be
Yeah,
amazing.
but first job.
Having your having the beans crossed for you.
Oh, thank you.
It's moved. Okay.
Yo.
Yeah,
Take a hit.
if they don't notice you, if you kill them from afar, you can one-shot them. Okay,
Ow. I got staggered.
oh god, the big one is coming, and the shamans. Okay, that's too much. Nice. The game is lagging at the very wrong moment.
No. All right, good.
Okay, two
Now the
shamans. I can't see anything. Ah! I don't have any stamina. But you got them. Nice. The other one is still there.
No, I was on fire.
Oh no! It wasn't me.
No.
Fireball.
But we got them.
Yee! Alright. Oh. There is the grave of days. Oh no!
No.
Aww.
I evaded fireball so long, and that one got me.
Can't believe they're dead.
Ah.
Oh.
I tried to block it with my shield, but the fire burned through my block, and I just died from the fire.
I see.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
don't think you can do it with the shield.
Oh no,
Well-
not the fog. Ah.
And the fog is not very pog.
No.
Oh, there are more of them.
I think
Oh, there
I
are
hit-
more of them here.
Oh. Nice.
Whoa,
Oh,
there are more here.
they
very
shoot.
close.
Be careful.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Whoa, that was close. Oh no, they got me one time. That was close.
Whoa.
Oh
are
no,
you guys
it's going
fighting?
crazy.
I have bone mass in 5 minutes.
All right.
Okay.
Oh.
Just stand still.
I don't have arrows anymore. I'm going to Morb.
And the stamina ran out.
They take your grave.
I'm looking for it. I don't know where it is. It's north of me? Oh, it's
Yeah.
north.
Okay.
I went to the wrong skull. Oh.
Oh my. I think that was Alex who said like, yip yip, I'm in the machine. Let's go.
Okay.
Great job. And now I can't use my bow anymore. But I think we nearly got the village done.
Yeah, I think that there are a few more of them. And we can proceed.
I just had to eat
Purple
the
wants
right
to
food.
proceed.
Yes. So, how was your day today? Because I don't think we asked about it.
Oh. Who's your days? How's your days?
Oh, I have a friend here.
Alrighty.
Now there are more of them.
Oh my god, so many.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, more than I thought. Oh.
I had a very big tester moment today.
Oh.
Because me and my team were doing a test related to one thing. And it's a very, very long and not very fun tests. But of course we need to do them. And we were... it was like, I think 4 days or something like this. Today we are almost finished up. And we are very happy because we will need to go to anything, to something else, and we will making new stuff. It will be fun probably.
Yay,
And
let's go.
Then suddenly a new build of our program dropped, and devs were like, "Well, we can you can start over it because we now need to check a little something else, but we still need to do this." To do this again, and I was like, no.
That's
again.
mean.
Yeah, but of course,
On the back as well.
they really wanted to. It's really important for them.
That's too many.
Oh my god, you're right. I have 1 HP.
Nice. Thank you, Draken, for the hydrate in the stretch. Oof.
Oof. It's
The
dangerous
shaman-
out here.
Yeah.
This much larger village that we have.
Yeah. Be careful, Bryza, you're nearly dead.
Yeah, 19 health is still good.
Okay, I got the shaman. They didn't notice me.
Good job.
I'm stealing barley.
They are throwing sticks at me, but I don't have any bows.
Yeah, same.
And my bow is broken. I'll go up there. I mean, why go up there?
Ah! They took me from behind. No.
Aw. Oh!
Nice block.
Nice.
Get parried from a distance.
So are we going to obliterate the whole village again?
Yeah, probably.
Oh my gosh, I almost died getting impaled by the defenses of the outpost.
Oh,
My goodness.
be careful.
Yeah.
This village is still missing the thing.
Which thing?
Don't want to spoil.
Alright.
But there should be something in the villages that we need for the next boss.
Oh, okay.
But we raided 2 villages and it hasn't been there yet.
Maybe we need to...
You sure? Yeah, we are very evil. We are Vikings.
Yeah. No, that... I wanted to make a very stupid joke, but I will not make it.
Aww.
Where's my grave?
But I think, yeah, that was everyone here. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Your grave? Yes, exactly. There it is. Oh god, why am I so hungry? Feeling very hungry today.
Servus.
Oh, und auf Deutsch. Yes, das
Oh,
na.
yay.
Ich bin hungrig und dabei habe ich eine Kleinigkeit gegessen, aber vielleicht vom vielen Laufen bin ich extra hungrig heute. Dann werde ich noch später etwas schnabulieren.
Tak, ja też byłem dzisiaj bardzo głodny. Ale zjadłem bardzo dobry makaron.
Genau, stimme ich voll zu. Okay, ja, ich glaube, sonst gibt es hier nichts. Aber wir haben ziemlich viel Weizen und Flachs bekommen. Das ist schon mal ziemlich leibend, ja. Was ist das längste Wort in Österreichisch? Das längste, was mir derzeit einfällt, ist Donaudampfschifffahrtsgesellschaftskapitän.
Wow.
I'll be back.
And we're back to English.
Oh my god, that was a long word.
Yeah, it is the Danube Steamboat Association Captain.
Very specific word.
Is there another village nearby?
Maybe.
Whoops.
I think like when we were coming here on the boat, I saw plenty of them. So
Yeah, like right here, kind of, maybe? No, I don't know.
I don't know. I thought maybe here or here.
Oh.
So Brixxy, what's your opinion on the online German pronunciation of Ohrkatzelschwarf? It's terrible. Why have a German with a very Schwäbisch accent having like as a prime example for saying an Austrian word? Ohrkatzelschwarf. It sounds like I'm making fun or being like hateful when I say that. I can't even say it nice. Ohrkatzelschwarf.
I think I need to return to the our nest base. Because I don't have space in inventory.
Oh, all right.
I have 31 iron.
Oh my. I have 10, so
Sorry,
yeah.
black metal, not iron.
I've
I have
never seen
3.
Brixxy
What?
angrier.
They are the locks are.
Oh, hi!
But I still don't think. Oh, now they are triggered.
Oh, they're just frightened. Ow! And they go numb.
Ow! They really got numbed.
Ow. I'm sorry that I sound so angry when I say it like this. critical hits. Let's go. Yeah. Ah, that takes a lot.
Oh, there's
Ow.
another one coming.
What? Oh no, that's
What?
bad.
Ah!
Nice,
Okay,
nice job. Let's
one
grab
is
the meat and
down.
run. Or can we do it?
I think. Oh no!
Oh, Burp!
I'm sorry.
Burp is cheering.
The birds are happy. Oh my god! I need. Okay, I will run. I have 9 HP.
Oh no!
Oh, there's the Skittle.
No! Oh,
No,
ow,
maybe
ow,
let's
ow,
go.
ow. That nibble hurt.
Maybe let's help Brixxy.
It's fine, it's fine. I'll just run around. Make it spin and you hit it.
Good strategy.
It worked in the past.
There's another one.
Oh
What?
no!
You gotta be kidding me. Ah, and it is nearly dead too. Ah, what? Why did it jump? Holy heck, what is happening?
Oh my god! Okay, maybe let's run from them.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if we can make it without any.
Yeah, it really sucks that our bows are... Oh, nice. And also no rest. It's a shame because it's nearly dead. Indeed, Liam. Burp. Oh, no, days!
It just numbed me a little bit.
Oh, okay.
I
Never
hope they
mind.
will lose our aggro.
You would that bird? Very gentle. Oh.
Do not the bird.
Ah, they turned around. We are fine.
Okay, that's good.
Oh. Okay, I'm not sure. They're coming for us again.
Oh, we need to defend the flags and the stuff like this.
Maybe if we just go through the portal, they will.
Yeah, let's go to the
Countdown.
portal. Because, yeah, the flags can be very easily damaged.
Ah, hey Avon, welcome in. How are you doing?
Haven.
Why?
Oh,
Ah, we got lots of stuff actually. So much meat. Ah, where's the meat? There we go.
yeah, on the right I put the not prepared stuff.
Mm-hmm. Best part about being EP? What is it, Avon? Going to sleep and becoming not EP. No, that's a mood. Oh.
That's a pro gamer move, definitely.
Honestly, I currently have the same problem. I'm like very EP, but when I go to bed, I can't sleep because I'm too EP to sleep.
Oh no, that's a terrible state.
And then I like lay in bed for 1 hour until I finally fall asleep.
I will hug that Brixxy.
Aww.
Those ice arrows did help out a lot with the first wave. And then so many enemies came after that.
So we have now all the buildings right now, right? Yeah. We don't have hot tub.
Oh, we need.
Yeah.
Yes.
And yeah, dragon bed. Oh,
Body pillow
oh my
to
god.
cuddle, yeah.
The dragon bed are so big. Oh.
Yeah, you know, dragons are big.
Yeah, that's
The
makes
wings
sense.
and all. We need the cuddle space too.
40 fine wood per one bed. I mean, we can make it.
I have 27 wood on me.
But is this a fine wood or normal wood?
Oh. Is it?
Hmm.
You're a fine burb.
Yay,
Oh.
true.
Oh.
Let me actually put the barley in the windmill.
Yes. I'll make ourselves a tub.
Let's go.
Uh, 10 iron, tar and stone.
And for the flax, we got the spinning machine in our base, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
In the little shed.
Let's go.
Did you find any Fenris hair?
No.
No.
Unfortunately, not.
Alright.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I think the only thing we found in the mountains was like one of these were ravens, but I'm not sure if they also dropped those. But yeah, we need a frost cave for those.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm going to make a hot tub.
Were ravens, yeah. Where's the Avens? Also, where is the spinning machine?
Behind the base. Yeah, you're going to the right direction. Yeah.
All right.
Where
There's a shed.
leggies?
Ah, there it is. All right.
Oh my god.
Oh, burp spawned.
Yes, but
Oh no. Ah, that's perfect. I think that's
I love it.
that's the right moment for me to disappear for a minute and be right back. Whoop.
Look at the burb.
I love it. There's a bird in the bathtub.
Aw.
Wait, I will.
Can I get in there? I can.
I'm not sure how it works. Oh, I think I put it in the backwards. Because there is a fireplace on the other side. Eek. Yes, chilling with a bird. I want to see the Brixxy face when they will come back. Yo, Almir, hello. How are you doing?
Hello.
What is happening here?
Nothing.
Oh,
We are
what
chilling with a bird.
Aww. Also, welcome in, Almir.
Yeah, but there's a problem. I put the bathtub backwards.
When you jump in the water, it's nice and warm. Let's go, soggy jerk action.
Yeah, but yeah, I think we probably need to.
Yeah.
Well, it's like you're going to bed. You keep getting in the hot tub over and over.
Yeah. But I think I need to excuse you. I will put it the correct way.
Just two bros holding paws in the hot tub. Oh my, so spicy.
Oh.
How are you doing, Almir?
Comfort level 11.
Oh, let's go. Ah. Yay! Soggy bath time. Oh. Good cat sitting currently. My ship. Aha, I see.
There's a bench inside. You can use.
Oh, that's lovely.
It make a little smoke though, but I think it's okay.
Oh, Day's taking the weapon out. Okay,
Oh my god.
how are we gonna
Just
do
in
this?
case. Yeah. How's it going? Bathe with your weapon.
What would I do for a hot tub? True. Is it also getting a little bit chilly in your place? Ah, because it certainly is in Austria. Alright.
Maybe we can put it outside or something. I have no idea. Because here it's get a little foggy and it stops working when it's too foggy.
Oh no.
I wonder.
Drake, no! No!
I mean, we can probably put it on the. Oh no! We can put it on the walls.
Yeah, let's do that. 8 degrees. I think that would be pretty chilly in my terms. Of course, it is not minus 15 degrees chilly like winter can get here, but still.
Oh,
There's not
cold.
enough place for a wall. But we can put it instead of the big fire. What do you think about
Vivi!
it?
Welcome
Vivi,
in!
hello!
Welcome
shark.
in, Raiders! Shark Raid!
Yo! Hello!
Ababa.
Welcome in, Cuties! How are you doing? Thank you for the follow, Tracksuit Fox! And thank you, Viri, for the resub! Yo!
Yo!
It says you were playing... what were you playing? Final Fantasy XIV Online. Let's go.
Yo, super cool.
Yo, and thank you for the follow, BB. Hope you had a lovely time. Are there dragons in there as well in Final Fantasy XIV? I have to ask. No reason. But yeah, hope you're all doing good. Welcome in. I have some lovely two cuties with me here. I have Bryza and Daisy here. We are playing some Valheim today, some Viking adventures, and currently getting cozy in a hot tub. Martin is great and a very fun game. Let's go. I think. What was the last Final Fantasy I played? Probably 8.
I never played any.
What? Yeah, okay, fair.
I'm not sure if that's a good idea to have it right here.
Ich weiß auch nicht,
Ojej.
Bryza.
Rozumiem. Okej, w porządku.
Ja, aber
Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
ja, sprechen Sie Deutsch bitte. Danke, Tracking. Many Dragons. Ah, das ist super. Ja. Ich liebe die lieben Drachchenchen. Jetzt habe ich kurz gedacht, dass wir hier einen Texturfehler, dabei ist das nur ziemlich pink. Okay. Jo! Also ich hoffe, ihr seid alle leibend drauf. Auch wenn mich die meisten nicht verstehen können. Weil ich auf Deutsch rede. Aber ja. Schauen wir mal. Ja. Sind gerade unterwegs in den Plains hier. Es war nicht mal Cupid etwas, es war Tracking. Yo! And we're back to English. Also welcome in KO.
Oh my gosh, KO. KO, super cute.
And for all this, those who don't know me, I'm Brixxy Brightmane, fluffy dragon at heart from Austria. And I'm a variety streamer, Fluffy Dirk, and streaming 3 times a week. So welcome in and get cozy, grab a coffee or any other kind of hot beverage you like, and enjoy the time with us. Yee!
So good to see you.
Bryza, you already built the spice rack, I can see, so...
Yes, we can have bread.
Yo, let's go. Yeah, I think actually let me walk over to the plains. There should be some flour ready. Then we can bake some bread.
I have 2 fish.
I can also get stuck in the walls, that's also fine. But yeah, everyone here, check out BV as well. Very lovely shark and amazing streamer. Lovely voice.
Oh, that's true.
Yee! Alright. Yeah, we have our little base here in the plains. Because we need that if we want to grow some flax and barley. Only grows here. And here we have the flour ready. The windmill is going spin. And this little step here. Okay, but let me actually put in some more barley.
Do we need to take the boat anywhere this stream?
I mean, we can go and grab some of the... So where is the floor going? We could grab the black metal. We got 61 black metal scraps over here. How about adorable kale?
Oh.
Because I know another cutie, Wask, who is also like, don't call me cute, I will bite you. But adorable works for them.
Okay, here in this corner we have 14 comfort. Which is very big.
Oh, Dinky, that's you tracking.
Oh, it's a cute nickname.
The Dinky Turk, Dinky Skinky.
Oh.
Dinky.
Bobby Dazzling. Yes, you're such a Bobby Dazzler tracking. True.
What?
Don't question it. Don't worry about it. Oh, what was it? You don't have any cookable items. I think I need to cook the bread first, though.
Yes, you need to cook the bread and then
go.
put it on the oven.
Okay, bread dough. Oh, that takes a lot of barley. Yeah, I'm gonna waste it on the bread.
Yeah, well, that's why it's here, you know.
I think there was also like the blood pudding that also takes The black blood pudding also takes barley and is super, super good for stamina. Yeah. What else do we have? I think there was like the... Not the minced meat sauce. The lox pie. Yes! That one was amazing. I remember that one. Oh yeah, we need barley for all of them. Bread is probably this the least important thing to make here. Whatever.
I'm harvesting carrots right now.
Yee! Then we can make soup.
Yes.
Also, everyone, the bees are happy, so are you, hopefully.
Aw, you too, Brixxy.
Aww. The birds are happy.
Yee! Yeah, we heard them 2 times going alarm mode.
Oh, yeah.
So cute.
Wow.
Almir, no! Be yourself. Oh.
Oh.
I forgot how to make sausage. How do you make sausage?
What do you mean? You're Austrian.
Yeah, I know.
There is, sausage in your veins.
Yes. It's not very healthy, but it's true. Just check Wikimeat. All right. Also, hey Rio, thank you for the throw. All right. Brixxy.
How do you spell sausage? Sausage.
S-O-S-I-G, I guess. Is like the
S-A-U-S-E-G? Sausage?
Yeah, that's like the real sausage. Yes, KO, exactly. But I think like a sausage, you write like this. Yes, Liam, exactly. You.
Sausage. Yeah.
I know it because I have a sticker for that on Telegram.
No. Meat.
Just say a sausage how an Austrian would say it. Wurst. Würstel. Mach mal ein paar Würsteln.
Brixxy, you burn up the bread.
No! I forgot about it. Because we were talking about sausage. No!
Oh no.
I'm sorry, Bryza.
We have 4 coal right now.
Who needs bread anyway? It's just crunchy now. You see, it's all right. I'm sorry.
I'm going to sit and contemplate right now.
I'm so
sad.
sad.
You can see me contemplating on the throne.
Yes, I see. You're face palming. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's exactly how I feel too. I get you.
I laugh a little Conan pose that they make on the throne.
Too distracted by sausages. Shush, shush.
Oh my gosh. Dragon distracted by sausage.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I will grab some more flour.
Oh.
17 processed? Oh, okay.
Yeah, we should have a bit of barley.
Yeah. This is taking forever though.
Did you gather it at all?
Yeah, we still have lots of it in the chest.
Okay. But do we have a fresh one already?
Yeah. Days and me, we replanted
okay.
it, but it's not ready yet.
Alright.
I have 4 fish.
Let's go. Then we can maybe make some fish wraps soon. Unless I burn them. I go like...
Aww.
Alright. The flour should be ready any second. There we go. 20 flour to burn it all again. Let's go.
Oh, you have to make it in the plains?
Yes, we have. I mean, we don't need to make them in the plains, but we have the windmill there.
Yeah. Let me actually make some locksmith pie now. I think that's better anyway. What do you need? Ah, that's. Oh, I have everything for that. Lovely. More locksmith. Yeah, we got that. All the pies, all of them. 5 pies, let's go.
I freaking died for some reason, but okay.
What? No,
Yeah.
Bryza, don't die.
What happened?
I think I was standing on the smoker.
Oh
I got
no.
smoked.
Smoking is bad for you, you know.
Yeah.
Alright.
I died in the safest spot in our base, in our room.
This time I won't forget about the pies. I'll keep my eyes on them. Beans! Beans? Yes, beans! Let me show you the beans. Ah. There are the beans. Just for you.
Oh my god.
Awesome!
Whoa, beans!
Elisa, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. I got the pies. Yes, they are ready and gigantic. Let's go. I think you got one too.
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Locksmith.
Locksmith pie gives plenty of health, and also the duration is quite long. But yeah, welcome in. How are you doing? I still have one unbaked pie.
It says break the crust to release a cloud of fragrant steam. Delicious.
Yummers.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's bake one more of the meat pies. Draken, do you also have meat pies over there like that? Lox meat pies? Aww.
I bring you 45 stacks of carrots.
Oh my god, so many carrots. We can make lots of soup.
I mean, maybe not stacks, but carrots, sorry. But where are
Lots
turnips?
of meat pies. Yes.
I had turnips somewhere, but I don't have turnips anymore.
Oh, I think it's ready. Let's go. Hey. I didn't turn it into coal this time. Let's go. Let me actually check what else we can make. I think there was like the fish wraps. You need cooked fish for it. Okay. How do I cook the fish?
Well,
You need to
I
make a
put a
fish
bunch in the
first.
raw place. There should be like 20 something of them.
Oh, I just put them on the hook, I guess. Yee.
Yeah.
Aww. That's a lovely thing to say. Thank you. Yee. Always try to be cozy.
Yeah, we love it here.
Yeah, I have the most two awesome cozy cuties with me right here. Bryza and Days.
Friends and Valheim. Oh,
Yeah. Don't make me blush. I would never blush. No. So much food. Oh, that's only 2 fish wraps. Okay, you need lots of fish for that.
how much fish?
How much is the fish? No, you need 2 cooked fish for 1 wrap.
That fish is not fresh. It is fresh. Oh, the Asterix and I don't know if you ever read the comics about Asterix, the Gaul.
Yeah. Also
there
watch
was
the movies.
Oh yeah, and the movies. There was in Asterix Village there was two merchants. One was the smith, and one was selling the fish. And they're always arguing that the fish is not healthy, not fresh. And the second one is it is fresh. And they always fight with each other.
Yes, I remember. Yeah. And then the bard comes and they just smash them.
Yeah. Average bard experience.
Yes. Yeah, it's a bard with bad rolls. Not many 20s there. Right. Okay, what can we actually craft now? Oh, I got the silver.
Yeah, I put the rest of the silver inside.
Ah, nice.
Because we had some spare left.
So, for the padded armor, all we need is linen thread and iron. And I think we should have that. You know who else has cozy vibes and also a big anniversary coming up on Saturday? Lovely Ryoku.
No way, Ryoku anniversary.
Yeah.
What?
I think it's a very late 1-year anniversary. And also a Halloween stream, so I will try to be there as well. Especially for the Gartic phone part. 1 year of Twin Rio.
One whole year.
Oh my.
Oh. Where did the armor go? There we go. Linen thread. Did I really just? Oh, I forgot the linen thread over there. Okay. Let's grab some. I'm not sure how much it was. Just gonna take a bunch of it. Maybe we can make some new armor that we won't see on our model because we're using our streamer models.
Yes.
Alright. Oh, we need lots of linen threads, actually. Oh my. That's a lot.
Yeah, I think that will be a big problem. At least for now.
I think for now it will be the strongest armor. Let's see what else can I craft from this. Black metal axe. Okay. Sounds like we may need that later for the newest biome. Black metal shield. Ooh, that would be something if I decide to go with the black metal sword.
Oh, they have the shield.
Ah, okay. Or will I stay with my huge axe? I think I could do the one the axe just like this. But I like the crystal one, so I'm just gonna.
Yeah, it fits so well.
We'll start with some armor. And then we'll get more linen. That's the wrong way around, Brixxy. There we go. Okay, I got the cuirass. Now I'll make the greaves. Whoop.
Oh, ice cream.
I have some good idea.
And let's
65 stamina. That seems good.
Yeah, that is really good. Like the food we can make now is pretty amazing. Also, puberty is pretty amazing for redeeming the stretch and the hydrate.
I think you. I will make a little expansion of our room.
Oh, the fish wraps. They give 70 health. Okay.
I wonder what fish wrap.
Rio, how could you? How could you? How could you shave my head? Oh,
No.
Ah.
all the fluff
So
gone.
smooth.
All the years of growing fluff. All gone.
Smooth Durg.
Don't smooth the Dirk.
Ooh, the locksmeat pies give 75 health.
Yes,
Smooth
it's
Dirk.
amazing. The fish wraps as well, I think.
They both give 4 healing a tick too if you're damaged. That's not too bad.
Yee.
So if BV will sing, you can say that this is a fish wrap.
Oh. Delicious.
Thank you, Bryza. You're right, though.
Oh my
It hurts,
God.
but yes. So
What gives the most stamina out of all the stuff we can cook?
I think the ice cream is pretty good.
Yeah, ice cream and then the cloudberries.
Yeah, cloudberries, ice cream, maybe the bread that I burned.
Milkshake gives 50 stamina.
Blood. The best one is blood pudding, though. 75 stamina. Holy heck.
Whoa. I need that for fishing.
Eee. All the stamina. All right. Pretty well equipped here. Yeah, should now survive an additional hit, hopefully. Yo, we got the bathtub here again. Nice.
Yeah, I'm constructing
And pretty
nice
windows. Yo!
Yeah, maybe that will help with the smoke. I will consume a lot of fine wood, so probably need to make something better.
Yee. I'm gonna check after our fields again. Yeah, they still take a while. Do you wanna go to sleep maybe?
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh, the flax is just turning. Ah, if we go to sleep now, it will be ready in the morning.
I'll be right back.
Oh,
Up, 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 up.
ah, ba, 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 ba. Let me go down. There we go. Going to get soggy. Oh my, tracking.
Oh, you have later VR. Nice.
Enjoy getting soggy.
Soggy.
There we go. Oh, the windmill will surely take some time.
Yeah, but it's worth it.
I'm so happy that I can sleep long tomorrow. No,
Oh, right.
no work.
And what is the holiday?
It is the Austrian national holiday. It's basically the Day of Independence.
Oh,
I think that it's celebrated.
all right.
Yeah, so like I think in 1955, Austria signed together with, I think, was it Russia, for Russia, US, was it France too? Like that, Austria will be independent again. Because
Oh,
before
right,
that,
right.
they were like stationed here in Austria.
Mhm.
And yeah, from that day on, Austria became like its own country again and independent. And yeah.
That's a good history lesson. Thank you.
Yeah. And was like a very, very important day where like the chancellor, I think back then, the Austrian one, I think it was it Dollfuss? They signed it and then they went to the balcony and said to the people standing down there, Österreich ist frei, which means Austria is free. It's a very iconic.
Yeah, so it's a very important day.
Yeah.
The Polish Independence Day is pretty soon because we are Poland celebrating independence. Oh God, I died. My God damn it. Poland celebrating independence in the date of ending the World War One. It's 11 of November.
I'm back. Bryza died? What happened?
I fell down.
Oh!
But you have wings.
I forgot to use them.
11th of November.
Yes. And this is the Independence Day from the 123 years of no Poland. What's happening?
Sorry, Bryza.
What? What happened?
It was a scan and it was hilarious.
Okay.
Sorry.
That's okay. The funny scans are amazing.
The dragon skin.
So it's the day of the independence from the World War One, after the stuff. And yeah, it's a pretty big day always.
Yeah.
Why I cannot jump? Oh no, I'm heavy.
Only Chancellor I know was Kurz. Yeah.
I have no idea about the politics stuff.
Yeah.
I ate your lox pie. It looked too good. Delicious.
Yummers. Hope you enjoyed.
Thank you. I've been craving something savory and like a pie crust or like some kind of pastry dough.
Oh.
Don't worry.
Oh my gosh. Oh. I want like a shepherd's pie or something.
Oh. I only know shepherd's pie from the Kitchen Nightmares. Because Gordon was always so angry when somebody makes the shepherd's pie wrong.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to some amazing meat pies. I think there is something called pasties. I don't. Just a little hint. Maybe don't Google it with safe search off, because pasties is also something else. But yeah, pasties are like a little meat pies, I think. Draken wants to show me them, and yeah, I'm looking forward to those. Yeah, pasties is also something. I won't tell. Not
Something
on Twitch.
Different.
Yes.
Something different.
That certain dancers use in certain places.
All right.
Yeah. he was very present. But yeah, I will not get into Austrian politics here. I think it's better if I don't.
Yeah, politics usually not very.
What? Did I miss? Ah, Alyssa!
Oh,
Have a lovely, lovely night if you're still here.
night.
Ah, ba, 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 ba. Sleep well.
I got a fish.
yo!
Yo, let's fish.
I think we're using all the fish to make fish wraps anyways.
I
do
use
that.
fish to make fish.
Let's do it. I'm gonna keep fishing them, so you can feel free to make them if you wish.
If you fish.
Yeah.
Ah,
I
there's-
should be getting wood, honestly.
No, I think we are pretty fine.
Okay.
I mean, maybe we'll need a fine wood though.
I mean, it's
That's
always good to have wood.
Yeah, that's also very true.
Because we still that. Ah, yay, then sweet dreams. Mwah.
Yo.
Okay, let me put this back up here. All right. Oh, yeah, that's... Yes, that's also kind of famous. Yeah. Or there are people... How there are people being against corruption. Oh.
Oh, okay, I think I like how the place looks like right now. It's so much brighter.
Aww. You are always brightening up my days.
Oh,
Aww. You brighten up our day, Dragon. Oh, I got another fish.
yes.
Yo!
Wait. Oh, the boat does make it easier because all I have to do is get them onto the boat, and even if they get away, the boat it'll still keep them inside. Sometimes it's harder on the beach because the tide will come in and the fish will get away anyways.
Oh, there's a mountain right next to the plains portal.
Oh,
Let me see if I can find some obsidian here. I hear wolves. All right. Yo,
use it
Dragula, take care.
Night,
Mwah.
regular.
Have
Bye,
a lovely
Dragula.
evening. Bye bye.
you said the plains portal, Brixxy? Regular
Yeah.
plains, not plains 2 or whatever. Is there 2 portals?
Where our base is with the flags and where we went and battled the villagers.
Okay.
Is that obsidian? I think it is. No, it's not. Never mind. Oh, I see 2 wolves. Maybe I can one-shot one from here. Let's go.
Okay.
And... Ah!
Doing good, Bear. How are you?
Yeah. Levargan! Yo, welcome in. How are you doing? But yeah, we are doing good. Being very cozy here on stream with these cuties. Also being a little bit hungry.
Me too.
Eee. I will grab a sandwich after stream.
Oh, sandwich. That sounds good.
Oh, yes, that's true. Getting out of the shower and getting cozy, yes. Ah, maybe having a tea too.
Oh, that sounds really good.
I don't see any wolves yet.
I hear a woo, a woo. Oh, 2 of them here. Okay, one of them dead. 2 of them dead. Oh no! Almia, no, don't die! Rio, uwu. I'm sorry, Morgan! They attacked first. Yo, Sonic Gabe! Welcome in, thank you for the follow. How are you doing? Okay.
Okay, Morgan, we sometimes have to smack wolves. It's okay.
Hey! Okay,
Like that.
Lovely to hear. Ah, another one! Oh my god. I'm so Morgan. I'm so sorry. I just want the obsidian. I swear. I'm not here to hunt your kind. We already got all the pelts.
We could get hunted though, pretty easily.
Oh
yes.
yes. No, not that event, please.
Yeah, that was a terrible event.
Okay then. Oh, that's already the other side here, and we have swamps here.
Oh.
Rio being spicy? What? Never. No, I don't want to fight them. I'm sorry, Morgan.
Is wearing a wolf fur cape.
Yes. I'm
It's
sure
warm.
you're also great to cuddle. Okay, why can't I find any obsidian? Ah, I see some over there. I also
Don't
see
wolves
a tray.
have like extra layers of fluff? They're like extra fluffy.
Oh my, extra fluff. Let's go.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt you to talk about fluff.
Fluff.
Yes, finally some obsidian.
To be fair, the wolves sometimes spawn on us in the most random places. We'll just have to defend against wolves.
It's a very wolfy thing to do. They are spawning in the worst possible moments.
Yeah.
The worst time. We're all low on food.
Yeah.
And it's raining.
Okay, so I'm going to find some
Oh!
beaches
Yeah.
to cut the fine wood.
There's 2 wolves on me.
Oh my.
One of them's gay. Oh no!
Also, I'm running in the wrong direction here. Okay, I actually want to head back to base. Ah! Don't go avu on me. If you go avu, I go rar.
I like that they updated the performance.
Not yet.
Not
But
yet?
They will. Yeah, they will
Okay.
update in the new patch. Now it's only in testing,
Yeah.
but we couldn't test it because the save will will break.
Yeah, we wouldn't be able to change back anymore. So, yeah.
Yeah, probably they will be soon releasing it to the.
Oh, there's
Yeah.
2 Deskitos on me.
Oh no!
Oh no.
And Foolings too. Oh my goodness. Days.
Just one Deskito then.
Okay, I got one Deskito.
I think there was only one.
Ah, okay. There can be only one. Okay.
Oh my gosh. That's an old stuff.
Is it? Oh god. Now I feel
Levin.
old.
The Highlander, it's from Highlander, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, it's pretty old.
Oh no.
But it's still a very good movie.
I think we're safe.
Yeah. I also only kind of forgot where our base is, but I think it should be over there.
Okay, I'll
Yeah,
just
I
follow
can
the
see it.
floating axe over there that's supposed to be Brixxy.
Yes.
So spooky. Spooky Brixxy.
Yeah, it's Halloween after all.
Invisible Durg. That's not scary.
Oh no, Draco Lizard, no!
No!
That's even more scary. Oh my.
The Brixxy main. Oh. No, sorry, the Brixxy Bright.
Oh, but I hope you're doing good.
Wow.
You certainly enjoy seeing me bold. Right, I'm gonna put the stuff all down here. Just joined your Discord. Nice. Also, welcome in. Yo. Lovely to have you.
Hello. Yeah, I will plant some seed.
Seed, let's go.
What do I think about the new Jurassic Park cards? I think big dinos, cute. Don't move, I don't know. Spooky. Haven't seen it. What? Thanks for asking, Copori. I like big dinosaurs.
Oh my.
Who doesn't? They're so cool.
Yeah. Okay, I
The
will-
crowd is shaking! We are in the
What?
siege!
No, not
We have trolls!
what? Oh my
Trolls?
goodness. They are trolling
we-
us.
Yeah.
Oh. Here. Ah, hi.
Ah!
Not the
Our
walls.
walls!
I can't believe I blocked that. Oh, they are staggered. Too late. Oh no!
The walls will hold, don't worry.
Hold the walls.
But my stamina won't. Okay, they are dead. Like, at least one
There's
of them.
a-
They are
There's
shaking.
another one coming from the right.
Yes, I'll take care of them. Maybe I'll even eat something. Okay.
I got hit.
They don't do any damage to me. What? Is that for real? 2 damage? Let's go.
Bone mass.
Oh, bone mass.
Yeah.
And the armor as well. Let's go. The booty
There's one
shakes. Yeah, I
more.
saw it too. I think that's it.
Yeah.
The last one here.
No,
me-
it's... Alright.
Freeze.
I need to assert the damage. I see the damage has been done, but I mean it's a yeah, it's pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Oh no.
Yeah, but it's not very big. Nothing that some repairs can fix.
Yeah.
The walls are for just for it, so it's all okay.
Great job.
Yeah,
But the walls itself didn't get damaged that much, so it's really good.
yeah, they are holding out.
I have so much stuff to put away. Oh my god. I'm gonna be putting away my inventory the rest of the stream.
No,
Yeah, good point though, because I would like to end very soon.
that's a good idea. I'm very sleepy as well.
Oh, EB burp.
Yo.
Missing the required. Oh, you need a stone crafting
Yeah,
station.
yeah.
Ah, I see. Ah. Oh, I forgot. Alright then, let me put the wood over there. Is the peacock in the middle? Ooh.
The what? I'm not a peacock.
It's a secretary bird. Yes.
But the peacocks are amazing. I really, really like the peacocks. One of my favorite birds. They're so, so beautiful.
Aww.
Ooh, yeah. They're so colorful.
Mm-hmm. The royal birds.
Oh.
It's funny because in Warsaw, in the city park, there are peacocks that they can just walk anywhere in the park. And they are so majestic, walking and doing wow once in a while.
Aww. Cute.
I really like going there and watching them.
Alrighty. Are you cuties ready?
For ending right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh,
I will go. I will repair the walls in the next stream.
Yeah.
let me finish cooking my steak real quick. I gotta make some meats. And then I'm ready.
Oh, there's a rain.
Oh no! No! Why does it
You wanna
start
go to
raining
bed?
now? Oh.
You want to go to bed?
Yeah, let's just.
Yeah, let's just
Let's
sit
go.
down here.
There's a storm.
Yeah.
All right.
Very epic ending with a storm.
We had an attack by trolls and now a storm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you. I'm gonna hop over to the Cozy Cafe, and yeah, stay with me just a little while longer, and yeah, see you there. Mwah. Yo, thank you for the gamer mode. So yeah, let me just turn on some chill music. Yes, there we go. All right, I hope you had a lovely time. Thank you for the stretch and the hydrate at the end, Cuties. And the beans! Yay, Draken, thank you. And especially thank you again, Bryza and Days, for having such a wonderful, cozy time together.
Yeah, thank you for hosting. It was lovely.
Yeah. Thank
Yeah.
you for hosting us here.
And next week we will probably take a little Valheim break because it is Halloween week. Yeah, but after that we will be back, and I think it will be Bryza hosting, if my memory is correct.
Yes.
Yes.
After this little break, we will have a a little stream on my channel.
Eee. Also, yeah. Will be very, very cozy, I'm sure. And yeah, I hope you cuties will also be super cozy now for the rest of your day. It was really, really lovely with you all.
Yes.
Thank you for all your support. Thank you for the amazing raid, BV, as well. And yeah, also check out Daze and Bryza. Drop them a follow.
Aw, thanks for the shout out.
Eee. And yeah, I'm gonna look for a cutie to raid. Let me just mention that I will be back on Friday with Dungeons of Ether. Super lovely furry dungeon crawler with very handsome heroes.
Yo, furries and tabletop, count me in.
Hey! Yeah, and we are gonna raid a noodle. They are playing Saints Row, and there are also a cute fluffy Dirk. So let's say hello to Noodle, the cutie. They have been sick a little bit and are now back with their stream. So, hey, let's
Love
go.
the noodle so much.
Raid has been created. Let's go, everyone. Raid message. I think I don't have anything special there. Just go rar and post a Brixxy laugh. And yeah, stay cute, everyone. Love you all. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Yo.
Wait a few seconds and then bye bye.